So, Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. As we have completed in our previous videos, Arabic counting from 1 to 60. Now, today in this video, we will move from 60 to 80. Okay, so let's start. For 61, we have Wahid wa Sittun. Remember the thing that I've been telling you from the start of my videos, from the start of the countings, from the beginning of our videos. I'll tell you a basic concept, because as we have 60 common in all these words from 61 to 69 in English, likewise, okay, we have sittun, which is 60. It is common in all Arabic words, all 9 Arabic countings from 61 to 69. Wahid wa sittun to tisawa suttun. Okay, so now let's start. Remember the concept in your mind and let's begin. For 60 we have sittun, and for 1 we have wahid. We add both of these together to make a one word, to make a one count, to make a one number. Okay, so let's start. 60 and 1, it becomes 61. Okay, same wise in Arabic, sittun and wahid. Wahid wa sittun becomes 61. Okay, Wahid is 1 and Sittun is 60. So for 61 we have Wahid wa Sittun. For 62 we have Isnan wa Sittun. For 63 we have Salasa wa Sittun. For 64 we have Arba wa Sittun. Arba is 4, Sittun is 60. For 65 we have Khamsa wa Sittun. Khamsa is 5, Sittun is 60. For 66 we have Sitta wa Sittun. Sitta is 6 and Sittun is 60. For 67 we have Saba wa Sittun. For 68 we have Samaniya wa Sittun. For 69 we have Tisa wa Sittun. 9 is Tisa and Sittun is 60. Okay, so remember, the most important counting that I think is from 1 to 9, because it is repeating all these over, to learn in Arabic or in English or in any other language. The 9 words are most important because they add up and they create and go further in the counting. Okay, so for what is 70? Okay, what is 7? What is 7? 7 is Saba. Okay, like 7, Saba, 70 we have Sab'un. So okay, with this is the concept. We add waw or noon at the end, waw and noon at the end of the word. Sitta, we add waw noon, it becomes sittun, which is 60. Sab'a, which is 7, we add waw noon, it becomes sab'un. So likewise for what is 71? So let's start from 71 to 80. What is 70? I have told you before, 7 and we have t, it becomes 70, it becomes a number. Okay, 70 we have 7, which is Saba. For t we have waw noon, Sab'un. Okay, so what is 71? Wahid. What is 1? Wahid. What is 71? Wahid wa Sab'un. What is 72? Isnan wa Sab'un. What is 73? Salasa wa Sab'un. What is 74? Arba'a wa Sab'un. What is 75? Khamsa wa Sab'un. What is 76? Sitta wa Sab'un. What is 77? 70. Sab'un. 7. Saba. In Arabic we have Sab'a wa Sab'un. Okay, it becomes 77. For 78 we have Samaniya, which is 8, and Sab'un, it becomes 78. For 79 we have Tisa wa Sab'un. Tisa is 9 and Sab'un is 70. Now guess what can be 80. Okay, so remember in your mind that 8 is Samaniya. So what will be 80? Remember that, add Waw noon in samania, it's become samoon. Okay, samanoon. Okay, samania, cancel ya at the end. Samanoon, samanoon. Waw noon at the end, samanoon. Okay, 80, 8 is samania, ty we had it and it becomes 80. Likewise in Arabic we have samania, waw noon we have samanoon and it becomes 80. Okay, so this was from 60 to 80. At the upcoming video we will make from 80 to 100. Okay, and we will be completing our 1 to 100 language counting in Arabic and English. So, and after that we will be making videos, daily videos for 20 different and difficult words and important words that will be helpful for you in your future, in your journey, to help you improve your vocabulary and master this Arabic language. So just don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. So stay together, stay focused. Thank you, take care.